Welcome everyone. Today we are starting with Introduction to Logic. Logic is the study of correct reasoning. It helps us decide whether statements are true or false. It is a core tool in mathematics and computer science, and it is essential for structured problem solving. What is a proposition? Now, let's understand something very important. What is a proposition? A proposition is a declarative statement. It must be either true or false. It cannot be both at the same time. Let's look at some examples right here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. True. The sky is green. False. And remember, questions and commands are not propositions because they have no truth value. Examples of propositions. Every proposition has a clear truth value. It is always either true or false. There is no in-between. 5 is greater than 2. True. 10 is less than 3. False. Pakistan is in Asia. True. Let's look at sentences that are not propositions. Some sentences cannot be labeled true or false. For example, questions. Are you ready? This cannot be true or false. It only asks something. Commands. Open the door. This gives an instruction. So no truth value exists. And opinions. This is a good movie. This is subjective and can vary from person to person. Truth values. Every proposition carries exactly one truth value. There are only two possibilities. No middle ground. True. 3 plus 3 equals 6. The sun rises in the east. London is in England. False. 7 is even. Water is dry. 2 plus 2 equals 5. Key rule. A proposition can only be true or false. Never both, and never neither. Simple versus compound propositions. Propositions come in two forms, and understanding this difference is your first step in propositional logic. A simple proposition is a single standalone statement. For example, it is raining. A compound proposition combines two or more statements using logical connectives. Example, it is raining and it is cold. Logical connectives. Logical connectives are the building blocks of compound propositions. Each connective has a symbol and a specific role. And, conjunction, symbol and, or, disjunction, symbol or, not, negation, symbol not, if then, implication. Let's focus on, and right here, and means. Both conditions must be true. True and true gives true. Any other combination gives false. Example, I study and I pass the exam. This statement is true only if both happen. Now, or means. At least one condition must be true. False only when both are false. Example, I will study or watch TV. If I do either or both, it is true. Not. Not reverses the truth value. If a statement is true, not makes it false. If a statement is false, not makes it true. Example, it is raining. Not it is raining means it is not raining. Let's talk about if-then logic. It means, if P happens, then Q must follow. It is false only in one case, when P is true and Q is false. Example, if I study, then I pass. What is a truth table? A truth table lists every possible outcome for a logical statement. With two variables, P and Q, we get four combinations: true and true, true and false, false and true, false and false. Truth tables help us analyze logic. Propositional logic in real life. Propositional logic is used everywhere in real life. In programming, we use if conditions with and, or, and not. For example, if login is correct, then access is granted. It is also used in decision-making. We evaluate conditions before taking actions. It is used in digital circuits as well. Every processor uses logic gates like and, or, and not, and it helps in problem solving by breaking complex problems into simple logical steps.